Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gillani. Today we will unbox and review DJI Spark. Hello, this is Malik Gillani. You are watching Malik G Reviews. Let's take out this plastic wrapper with the help of Mr. Knife. Mr. Knife seems to be doing a pretty good job, actually. Inside this box we will find two more boxes. This box contains all the manuals, USB to micro USB cable, and the dash charger. In this styrofoam box, we will find the little beast, the DJI Spark. Oh my god, this is so incredibly small, it fits right onto my palm. It comes with one extra set of propellers. Let's take out the plastic seals from every part. It has obstacle avoidance sensors in the front, which helps it from crashing. And now, some B-roll shots. Drone is not just a flying camera, it is actually an aircraft with a camera attached to it. Therefore, the true value of a drone is a balance between the aircraft and a camera. It has a 2-axis mechanical gimbal. Lens is 25 mm with aperture of f2.6. Field of view is 81.9 degrees. It has a 12 megapixel camera with 1/2.3 inch CMOS sensor. Camera sensor is same as Phantom 3. The Spark is a versatile product that's potentially useful for the people in virtually any walk of life in the imaging world. There are essentially three main modes of flight: a traditional remote control, control by phone, and a control by gesture, each of which has several flight modes. Beneath this cover you will find two slots, one for charging it via USB and other for micro SD card. Press this button once and once again for 3 seconds to turn on the Spark. The DJI Spark is a very capable drone in an impressively compact package. It is loaded with features and it is small enough that you can take it virtually anywhere, and it is also reasonably priced. There is something here for everyone to like. There is an air vent on each side of the Spark. Underneath the Spark, there is a positioning sensor which helps it to land properly from where it took off. Now I'll share with you some of the footage I took with DJI Spark. All the footage is ungraded straight out of Spark. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi hotspot. It has a weight of 300 grams with 16-minute flight time. It shoots video at 1080p 30 frames per second and takes picture in JPEG format. It can fly at a maximum speed of 50 km per hour or 31 miles per hour with remote controller. Operating range is 2 km or 100 meters with remote controller. Keep watching my channel for more tech videos and unboxing.